Stop suffering beer's remorse. Let's get those bucks back for that old skin you don't even use anymore. From the main lobby, head to the menu located in the top right corner of your screen. It's represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Scroll down and select Settings. It's usually the last option on the list, symbolized by a gear icon. Once in the Settings menu, navigate to the Account and Privacy tab. This tab might look like a person icon or silhouette. Click on it to open your account settings. Scroll down through the account and privacy settings until you find the lifetime return requests section. It should be relatively near the bottom. Under lifetime return requests, you will see the option to submit a request. Click on this button to initiate the refund process. A list of your recent in-game purchases will appear. This list only shows items that are eligible for return, meaning they were purchased within the allowed time frame. Select the skin or item you want to return. Once you've chosen the item, you'll be asked to confirm your decision. This is your last chance to change your mind, so double-check your selection. You will now be prompted to select the reason for returning the skin. Pick the reason that best describes why you are returning the item. Accidental purchase is a common and usually acceptable reason. After selecting the reason, you'll see a confirmation screen indicating that your return request is being processed. The bucks will be returned to your account shortly. Note that you only have a limited number of lifetime return requests, so use them wisely.